So this is the living level on the second floor. You park in your 2-car garage, direct access, head on up here, and you have your living, dining, and kitchen on this level. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to show you everything about it. First of all, we have the kitchen, which is open plan. You have your island for seating. You have a huge sink with beautiful faucet in a black matte finish. You have 2 different colorways on the cabinetry that work perfectly with quartz countertops. And probably my favorite thing about this is the matte black appliances, which are the GE Cafe line, the top line that they have. And you have the refrigerator, the built-in microwave, as well as a 6-top gas stove, which is amazing. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful stove. You have windows looking out over the city here, and then if we head over to the dining area and through the living room, you have a full wall of doors on this side, which the best part about these are that they pocket. So they slide all the way over. And you can enjoy having them outdoors in.